Article 1, National Territory. This article established the scope of the Philippines territory, including all the islands, waters, and airspace within its boundaries. It ensures the country's sovereignty over its lands and seas. The impact of Article 1 on education is teaching geography and history in schools is based on the territorial boundaries defined in this article, ensuring students understand the extent of their nation's territory. Article 3, Bill of Rights. This article lists at the basic rights and freedoms guaranteed to all citizens, such as the right to life, right to liberty, right to property, freedom of speech, religion, and protection from discrimination. Article 5, Suffrage. This article guarantees the right to vote to every citizen and sets the qualifications for voters, emphasizing the importance of democratic participation. The impact of Article 5 on education is students learn about the electoral process and the importance of voting in civics and social studies classes. Article 6, the Legislative Department. This article describes the compositions, powers, and responsibilities of Congress, including lawmaking, budget approval, and oversight of the executive branch. The impact of Article 6 on education is students learn about the legislative process and how laws are made, including the role of Congress in creating and passing laws. Article 7, Executive Department. This article outlines the authority and responsibilities of the President and Vice President, including the execution of laws, administrations of government affairs, and national defense. The impact of Article 7 on education is students learn about the executive branch role in governance, including the duties and powers of the President and Vice President. Article 8, Judicial Department. This article defines the organization and authority of the judiciary, including the Supreme Court and lower court, and their role in interpreting laws and ensuring justice. The impact of Article 8 on education is students learn about the role of the judiciary in upholding the rule of law and ensuring justice through the court system. Article 14, Education, Science and Technology, Arts, Culture, and Sports. Education from Section 1 to Section 5. The main task is to provide for the development and promotion of education. These sections emphasize the right to education and the government's responsibility to ensure free and quality education for all. For example, the Department of Education or DepEd provides free education in public schools from elementary to senior high school. Language from Section 6 to Section 9. The main task is to promote the use of Filipino as the national language while preserving other languages. Filipino is valued as the national language while other native languages are also given importance. For example, schools teach Filipino and other native languages as part of the curriculum. Science and Technology from Section 10 to Section 13. The main task is to encourage and support scientific and technological development. These sections emphasize the importance of science and technology in the country's development. For example, schools offer courses in science and technology to prepare students for the modern world. Next is Arts and Culture from Section 14 to Section 18. The main task is to protect and promote the arts and cultural heritage of the country. These sections value the arts and culture of the nations and encourage their preservation and enrichment. For example, schools conduct programs and activities that promote Philippine culture and arts. Sports, Section 19. The main task is to promote physical education and encourages sports program. These sections emphasize the importance of health and physical activity through sports. For example, schools have physical education programs and sports competition to maintain the students' health.